Hello everyone, this is Mike Cruiser. Today I'd like to show you how to properly install a XenForo third-party theme. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, I think we're going to go ahead and just start by using a third-party theme that pretty much everybody's familiar with, and that's Flexile. So the first step is to go ahead and go over to XenForo.com, as that is where Flexile is located, in the official resource manager. So let's go ahead and click over there. And the first step would be to download the files. You can download the files by clicking the orange button at the top. When the theme files have finished downloading, you're ready to begin. Click the zip file. And when it opens, you'll notice three main areas: the upload folder, the readme.txt file, and the XenForo XML file. Almost all theme authors follow the same general guideline. They have an upload folder which you will upload the contents of directly to your XenForo root, a README file to help you get started with things such as installation, customization, upgrading, and perhaps license information. And finally, the XenForo XML file, which is what you will use to directly install the theme via your XenForo admin control panel. In order to be able to use the files, we need to extract them from the zip file. On Windows, you just click the Extract All button, then choose the destination. I generally choose the desktop because it's most convenient for me, and I can easily drag and drop the files into my website via an FTP program. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. The point of an FTP program is to help facilitate the upload of files from one machine to another. There are many FTP programs out there, but my favorite is FileZilla, as it is free and it works with Windows. After you have successfully installed FileZilla, open it, and you'll see two main panes. You'll see the local site pane and the remote site pane. For this demonstration, I'm only going to need the local site pane because my XenForo installation is installed locally on my machine here. So you'll see in the local site pane that I have my XenForo files and folders right here, and you should recognize them. You'll know it's your XenForo root because it has folders such as internal data, library styles, and some of these other files such as CSS, PHP, deferred PHP. So getting comfortable with recognizing your XenForo root is important, so that way you know that you're uploading to the correct place. We are now ready to upload the theme files. I extracted the theme files to my desktop, so you'll want to go find wherever you extracted your theme files to and open that up. And when you've got it ready, you'll want to take the contents of the upload folder and move it to your XenForo root directory. For Flexile, there's only one folder inside the upload folder, but there may be others, such as JavaScript or even sometimes plugins. So take the contents and move it directly into your XenForo root directory. You'll know it worked if you see the styles folder here and see the styles folder here, and you open it up here and you'll notice that there's a new folder here called Flexile. So that means you did it correctly. With the theme files uploaded, it's time to install the XML file. To begin, go to your admin control panel. Then click Styles, and then the button at the top that says Import a Style. So now you'll need to choose the XML file to install. Click the Choose File button, navigate to wherever the XML file is, click it, open it. With any third-party theme, you'll want to have first read the documentation or README file provided. For Flexile, it does not need to be a child of any other style, so you can leave that blank. And since you're not upgrading, you shouldn't need to overwrite anything either. Go ahead and click Import. Sometimes, the more themes you have, the longer it takes for XenForo to process the installation. When XenForo is done processing, you can then set the new theme to be the default theme, and even disable the old default XenForo style. Now go back to your front end and you should see the new theme successfully installed. There is one final step that is the most important of all. We need to create a child theme to the new theme we just installed. This new theme is where we will make any and all changes to. You never want to make changes directly to the third-party theme, and for numerous reasons. One prime reason is upgrading. The theme author might make changes, and you need to keep your changes separate from theirs. Installing a new blank child theme to make all your changes to solves this and many other problems. This time, you're going to want to go click the Create New Style button. For the parent style, you will want to choose the theme that you installed, and for the title, make it something unique to your site, such as Mike's Theme. You'll want to also allow user selection, then press Save Style. When the theme is installed, I then recommend that you hide the third-party theme and make the new theme the default if you so choose to. Now, any changes that you would want to make normally to FlexSale, you would instead make to your new theme. Now that we are all correctly set up, let's do an example together. Let's go ahead and change the logo out. To begin, go to the Style Properties, go to Header and Navigation, and then under Settings, you'll want to change the header logo and image path. I created a new directory called Mike's Theme, and I put a file in there called logo.png. Update the style properties, then click over to the front end and refresh. You'll now see that the logo has changed, and we did this all without editing our third-party theme. And there you have it. That's how you correctly install a third-party theme. If you have any questions, feel free to use the thread at XenForo.com, proper theme installation, upgrading, and usage, and I'll be happy to reply as soon as I can. Thanks, and look for more videos soon.